No, talk to him through the door, Keek.
Through the door.
Through the door, Keek.
Hi.
Can I talk to you for a second here?
No.
Can you talk to me here?
Well, I have a custody order and I need to see the custody order.
You're sleeping.
I don't know. Unfortunately, Frank has called us. I called the talk to the Maui in Kelowna, and they have called us, and the custody order is in place. I've got the uncle here trying to come up.
Okay. So does the custody order say that you're supposed to release him to the uncle?
It doesn't say that.
It gives Frank the reason why you're getting taken this?
Yes, for our own purposes on the advice of our lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it says that it has right to access and you can get access at any point in time. So the uncle is given rights so that the kid can be transported back to Frank.
Okay, our interpretation of the order from the lawyer is that no agent of Frank Lansing is allowed to have possession of the children, only Frank Lansing, and we have a copy of the order. So does our lawyer.
Okay.
So Frank cannot designate anyone except himself to come here with the
To
order.
get the children.
Right.
Where's your copy?
On the table.
Okay, hold on. Do you need a chair?
No.
Hold on. Here you go.
You know, they're going to get woken up.
Okay. Sit down.
It's like they can't do the same.
Okay.
The same. So.
Okay.
And they're my brothers. It's a little different.
And I'm sure you know Monica has leukemia.
Sorry?
I'm sure you know Monica has leukemia.
Yes, I do.
Okay. And what it says here is that,
Can I see a document, please?
yeah?
Can I actually hold the document, please? I really don't see that this trust, we are the police. We're not biased by any, we
Understand, does he need to be on our
That
property?
gentleman needs to be off
Off
our
our
property right now. Off
Off
the
our
property. No. I'm sorry. He's still too close to the proceedings. We want him away from the house.
Okay, sir, he's on a public sidewalk.
Okay.
Okay.
He can sit
Fine.
there if he wants to.
Okay.
Okay, because you know what? This is becoming more complicated and it seems to be pretty simple from the order that we read. Okay?
Not-
I'd like to see your copy so
Send it to
we can take a look at it. I'm not here to take anybody away.
Okay.
Doesn't say that they can come and get him.
Number
Sorry?
Doesn't say him, his sister, no one.
number 8 specifically? Is that the one that you had, officer?
I think they're forgetting who the mother is here.
Mm-hmm. And we're not saying we're not complying with the order at all. We have no issue giving the children to Frank Lansing.
The order specifically states that
Right.
no agent or representative of Frank Lansing.
Yeah.
No, it is actually,
Paragraph 8, or subsection, or whatever it is, subsection 8.
Number 8.
Yeah. Monica Pomahac-Lansing, she's obviously
there. Omaha. So the other part of the proceedings is in the action.
Mm-hmm.
This is where,
That would be me.
okay, that is no.
That'd be me.
So what are you trying to get at here?
We're saying that,
It says here that the same one that we got.
Yes.
That Frank
yeah.
can get the children at any point in time.
That's
Yeah,
correct,
but
sir.
not Mark.
Frank.
Yeah.
They say here that no agent is not allowed to do that.
It says that specifically in Section 8. That's what our lawyer has told us.
That's what our lawyer told us that.
If Frank wants to come here
You
with...
guys are party to this proceeding. So you guys have been involved in the proceeding, but it doesn't say that there's no agent that can come for Frank.
That's
It
what...
says that Frank has access at any point in time. He can get out at any point in time with the use of the police, and it has a police force. Further, it says here that any breach of the order in such event, which from what we have interpreted, is that you are all arrested.
But what the lawyer is saying, and what we're saying is we're not.
Because number 8 doesn't tell me, it doesn't say that no agent of Frank Lansing is allowed to take the children. It doesn't say it anywhere in the order.
No, but it's saying him
That
only.
the two, Blair and Neil, have been named as a party to the proceeding.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that, number 8 does not tell me that there is no agent allowed to take them.
Yeah, but they can't go over to their house and take them. He can't come over to my house and take my kids.
They're not, I am. The police have been empowered by this order that was granted in Kelowna and has been granted also in Lethbridge Fort McLeod jurisdiction, which we fall under, okay? That the children can be taken into custody by police,
And turned over to Mark.
okay?
And where will
How can they be turned over? How can they be turned over to Mark when?
it says that
It's not
specifically
allowed.
in the 8. Officer, I would just like to suggest to you that this is a civil matter, that
Yes,
we
it is.
we are proceeding with a lawyer
It is
based
civil
on
law,
that.
But in number 9, it says here that the police are to help and aid and assist in retrieving children from number 31 Athabasca Way West in
Okay.
Lethbridge to turn over to Frank Lansing. And from what we have been instructed by Frank is that this gentleman here is going to take custody of the children so that he can come pick them up tomorrow.
Okay? But what you're stating there, sir, does actually contravene what it says in Section 8 about an agent of Frank Lansing. So what we're suggesting to you, sir, is that if Frank Lansing wants to come here to get his children, he should be
can come
coming here.
Not his
I
brother-in-law.
really don't see which section you're looking at, because Section 8, and that's the one you're talking about, okay, that says that you, Blair, and Neil have been placed into the custody battle, okay? So you guys are all parties
Yeah.
against Frank, okay? That's all it's saying to me.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that no agent by Frank Lansing is given authority to retrieve the children.
But Mark is not their legal guardian.
So, Neil, maybe we need to call him off or somebody right now.
Take custody of the children until such time that Frank can come here, which is, from what I understand, tomorrow. So, under subsection 10, what I'm being instructed by this custody order is that if you do not comply, all 3 of you will be arrestable for breach of this custody order.
So, Monica, you're
At
going
that point in time, it becomes a criminal matter.
to be arrested, Monica, for trying to keep your children